Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily enable camera access and microphone access on your iPhone. So for doing this you just need to go to the settings, and in the settings you need to find here general, sorry, not general but privacy. Just find privacy, just open it. Now just find your camera, and here you need to turn on near app you haven't access. Just enable it. Near app you need to use your camera. So if you want to do it with microphone, just find your microphone, just open it and just check if you enable this option for this special app. And if it doesn't help you, if you still have the server, so you can also just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if it doesn't help you, if you still have the server, so you can also just try to fix it in another way. So you can also just try to update your phone. So just go to the general, just open software update and just wait until it will check for updates. And if you see here available update, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully download and install the latest update for your iPhone. And if it doesn't help you, if you still have the server, so you can also just try in another way. So you can also just try to remove app and install it again from App Store. And also you can try to update your app. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab, just find this app. So for example Facebook, if it's Facebook, also you will write here your name of your app you have problems with access to camera or microphone. And if you see here update, just tap on update and wait until it will successfully download and install the latest updates for your app. So this is a way how you can also try to fix it. And the latest option you can try, just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find here general. In the general just scroll down, just tap on reset, and here you need to choose reset location and privacy. So after just submit resetting location and privacy. So this is a way how you can also fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.